Okay, so this is the printer that belongs to a Miss Sunny, and it's in great shape right now. It's working wonderfully. Right now I have it printing a two-sided copy of my resume. Since she does not use the Brother name brand ink cartridges, it doesn't really read her ink levels very well. But everything is functioning just right. All the print is coming out nice and clear. No smears, no missing spots, no extra spots. It'll be done here in a short moment. Then we can talk some more about the printer. Now, you have to remember, everyone, if you have a printer that sits around for a while doing nothing, then the nozzles are going to get a little clogged. The ink will gel up. That's not just at the tips. I'm pointing here because that's where her ink cartridges are. It's not going to be just the tips where they connect to the ink cartridges. There are tubes that run from here to the print head, and then the print head actually prints on the paper, right? So these tubes are going to get clogged up. The ink will turn to a gel, and it'll be very difficult for it to print. And so you'll be forced to run your cleaner stuff over and over and over again. Pretty clear. It's like the third one of those I printed. So yeah, it's doing good. Doing great. All right, so you see, or you did see, right now there's question marks on all her ink cartridges because it can't really read how much ink is in the cartridges. It's okay, it'll still print. She knows that they're full, and so that doesn't matter. The main thing I want to get across to you guys is to remember that if you don't use your printer very often, the ink will gel up inside, and you're going to have to clean the ink jets, through the menu. You can look at the settings and you can find it where it talks about cleaning your nozzles and then printing out a page. You do it over and over and over again. It took us like 10 times because she let it sit for a while, days, weeks, before she finally got her new cartridges in. And so it is what it is there. And so anyways, yeah, everything's fine. It's working great. Here it is, the 19th of August. Ready for pickup.